Hello everyone, my name is D. Shramjyoti. My roll number is 24BQ180427. Today I will give the seminar about the electric field intensity due to infinite line charge, and I will tell the derivation of this topic. Let's go. See this electric field intensity due to an infinite line charge. See this diagram. First we have to assume orthogonal coordinate systems. This we have x, y, z axis. We have to assume an infinite line minus infinity to plus infinity. We have to assume this plus infinity to minus infinity. Next we have to assume minus infinity to this line. We have to z, and next y rho arrow bar, and we have to draw this line p towards p direction. We have to draw this arrow mark towards the p direction. Next this direction we have represent r bar. Next we have to find out the r bar. First we have to draw this r bar components. Position at p, row 5 0. This row 5 0 are present. 5 is this p point. These three are the present. This point 0 5 z direction 0 5 z. R bar is equals to rho comma 5 comma 0 minus 0 comma 5 comma z. Rho minus 0, rho arrow bar. Next 5 minus 5 0. We have to mention this 5. Next 0 minus z is minus z az bar. R bar is there. Mod R bar is equals to square root of rho square plus z square. A R bar is equals to R bar by mod R bar. We have to substitute R bar mod R bar. Rho arrow bar minus z az bar by square root of rho square plus z square. See this R bar. Next we have to charge density is rho L. Then we have to one formula, dq is equals to dl is equals to rho L. See this, dq is equals to rho L dl. We have to see this, dl is equals to dz. We have to substitute this dz. dq is equals to rho L dz. Next, electric field formula. Or differentiation of electric field is equals to dq by 4 pi epsilon r square ar bar. Ar bar is dq by 4 pi epsilon r square r bar by mod r. This r square mod r is equals to r cube. dq by 4 pi epsilon r cube mod r bar. This r bar mod r bar, we have to substitute this formula. dq also we have to substitute rho L dz. Mod r bar is no, sorry, r bar is rho aero bar minus z az bar by 4 pi epsilon. R cube is mod r bar, rho square plus z square is there. Rho square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. We have to write this rho square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. This r cube is there. We have to write this rho square plus z square 3 by 2. See this, we have d e bar is there. Next, d e bar is rho l dz rho aero bar minus z az bar by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. This d bar we have to convert, we have to shift this d bar, we have to shift this d, this converts its integration. Next, rho l dz rho aero bar minus z az bar by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square 3 by 2. Next, this integration limits are, see this we have to consider this infinite line, my plus infinity to minus infinity. Limits are minus infinity to plus infinity. Next, this rho aero bar minus z bar, we have to distribute this rho l dz by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. Minus infinity to plus infinity, rho l dz rho aero bar by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square 3 by 2 minus rho l dz z az bar by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square 3 by 2. Next, this z, due to symmetry, z terms are cancelled. E bar is integral minus infinity to plus infinity rho l dz rho aero bar by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square 3 by 2. This term will 0 because of due to symmetric z terms are cancelled. See this, we have the E bar is final answer. Next, see this diagram. This alpha is there because of next, tan alpha is equals to tan alpha equals to z by rho. This z is equals to rho tan alpha. We have to differentiate this. Dz is equals to rho tan alpha differentiation secant square alpha d alpha. This z and dz we have to substitute this E bar. E bar is equals to, next, and also we have, plus infinity, we have minus infinity or plus infinity and also change this alpha is there. We have two parts, alpha 1 alpha 2. It is E bar is equals to integral alpha 1 alpha 2. We have to substitute this rho l rho aero bar dz is rho secant square alpha d alpha by 4 pi epsilon rho square plus z square. Z square is rho square plus z square. Z is the rho tan alpha whole square whole power 3 by 2. Next, E bar is equals to alpha 1 to alpha 2 rho L, this row, rho square, A rho bar, rho square, secant square alpha, D alpha. Next, 4 pi epsilon, this row square was common, tan 1 plus tan square alpha whole power 3 by 2. Next, E bar is equals to integral alpha 1 to alpha 2 this rho L, rho square, secant square alpha by 4 pi epsilon rho square 3 by 2. 1 plus tan square is the secant square alpha 3 by 2 d alpha. Next, alpha 1 alpha 2 rho L, this was rho L, A rho square secant square alpha. Next, 4 pi epsilon, this was the rho cube, this is secant cube d alpha. This rho square, this cancel, this cancel. Next, alpha 1 alpha 2 rho L, A rho by 4 pi epsilon rho secant alpha is final. Next one is alpha 1 alpha 2 sorry, E bar is equals to, we have a constants are common, rho L, arrow bar by 4 pi epsilon rho integral alpha 1 to alpha 2 1 by secant alpha d alpha. E bar is equals to rho L, arrow bar by 4 pi epsilon rho alpha 1 alpha 2 1 by secant alpha is cos alpha d alpha. E bar is equals to rho L, arrow bar 4 pi epsilon rho integral cos alpha is sin alpha, limits are alpha 1 alpha 2. We have to distribute this rho L, arrow bar by 4 pi epsilon rho sin alpha 2 minus sin alpha 1. If we have to substitute this, alpha 1 is equals to minus pi by 2, alpha 2 is equals to pi by 2. E bar is equals to rho L, arrow bar by 4 pi epsilon rho. Sin alpha 2 is pi by 2 minus sin minus pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1. We have to rho L, arrow bar by 4 pi epsilon rho 2. This 4 is cancelled. Rho L, arrow bar by 2 pi epsilon rho. Final answer is E bar is equals to rho L, arrow bar by 2 pi epsilon rho. This is the final answer. This one is the final answer, and we have to revision this. First, I will, this topic is electric field intensity due to an infinite line charge. Next, I have to consider orthogonal coordinate system, and x, y, z planes are there. Next, I have to plus infinity to minus infinity. Because of my topic is infinite line charge, I have to consider plus infinity to minus infinity. Next, I have to take the p line. I have to put the point P, and I have to take this direction r bar towards the P. Next, I have to find out the r bar position at P and Z. I have to find out this r bar. Next, mod r bar also have I was find. Next, r bar is equals to formula r bar by mod r bar. I have to substitute this Next, charge density is rho L. dq by dl is equals to rho L. dq by rho L dl. dl is, I have to take this, dl is equals to dz. The length of this plus infinity to 0 is equals to z, and length of this is rho. Nothing but az bar, nothing but a rho bar. Next, I have to main formula dE bar is equals to dq by 4 pi epsilon r square AR bar. This dq and AR bar are present in this formula and above. I have to substitute all these things, and I have to derivate this all of these all of this thing, and final I got this formula E bar is equals to rho L a rho bar by 2 pi epsilon. Thank you all of this.